Yeah, I enjoyed it. When's the next class? Kind of fun. Because more people are gonna go after winter break, but if they do it during winter break, they're gonna have to pay more money so that they get the same money. I also want a game.
So simple interest is you just add it all up. So 500 times.
Those are $100. Yeah, we got it. Because the supply is high, but the demand low. Self-discipline.
People are buying, buying Bitcoin, so they just buy like half a Bitcoin or something.
Maybe he can buy two things: the hoverboard that's 500 and the one that's in the remote control that's 400.